Here we go, guys. Doing something different than scrap today. We're gonna fix this porch. I don't know if you can see it. It's dipping way down. Wood columns are cracked. This center column here rotted out and it's caving in. That's why it's dipping down on the roof there. I'm gonna put new railings on. New columns. I gotta dig down in the ground here, make sure there's footings underneath it. Get some temporary supports under it to hold it up. And then we can take some of these columns out. I'll show you a little bit as we go. Alright guys, I'm a little bit into this job. I don't know if you can see in there, it's pretty dark, but there's nothing underneath that column. But the job snowballed like usual. I had to tear down the whole ceiling. I gotta jack the whole roof up. And I gotta take out the beam. "28 feet long. But you see it's all crushing down on itself, crumbling down. So we got to build a wall in here, temporarily support the roof. Then we could cut all these columns and railings out. Take the beam out, build a new beam, put the new beam up, put it on temporary supports. And then we're going to take the floor apart and see what's going on down here. Turn it into a bigger project. I'll keep showing you as we go. Alright guys, this whole roof is supported now. All the weight is off these columns. And it's all nice and straight. I don't know if you were able to tell on the other part of the video, that railing up on the top dipped down like 4 inches. It's hard to see right now, but it's all nice and straight. A lot of road noise here. It's a busy road. You see that pink string right up there? That's my string line. It's all nice and straight now. Next is rip down this rotten beam. Take the columns out, take the railings out. And we gotta set a new beam. 2x12. 3 of them nailed together. Let me get a little bit more done and I'll show you. Okay guys, the beam is on the ground. It really just crumbled. A couple full semi-solid pieces came out. Well, that's what it looks like. No beam up there yet, but these temporary 2x4s are holding up the whole second floor and the roof line. It's only a little porch above us and then the weight of the roof, but we got it. Okay guys, here we are. We just poured these 2 footings. There's one. There's the second one. I cut off the whole front 2 feet of the porch. That's all going to get reframed and rebuilt. I still got a cut right over here. See that pink string? It's from there forward. A couple new piers. Hold everything back up. This corner right here will get cut off because this column's coming out. Here's a new beam. We framed that in yesterday when we were here. I took the supports and transferred them out here to the outer edge to get them off of the decking so that we could jack that back up to level and we could replace the front rotten part. Okay, I gotta go to another job. I'll keep showing you this one as we progress. Alright guys, we're back out here on the porch job today. There's the piers that we poured the other day. Front of the porch now is all framed in. All nice and solid. All the rot is taken out except that little 6x6 over there halfway down. But we doubled it up. So nothing's going to go anywhere. It's nice and solid. Let me get some deck boards on it. Alright guys, all the columns are in, they're permanent. The decking is all done. All the columns are in. Next is railings. Let me get some more done and I'll show you. Alright guys, railings are up, columns are in. Nice and straight. Those are vinyl railings. They'll stay white forever. Wash them off every once in a while. Next project, fix all the soffit, new gutters and new trim, and paint these columns. Alright guys, railings are up. New gutter is up. Ceiling soffit is up all the way down. Only thing left to do is right up there. We gotta bend that metal. Nice piece of aluminum trim. Railings. Well, the other thing I have to do too, I gotta patch that siding in where the old railings used to go. Same thing over here. Cleaned up all the junk that was out here. Here's the gutter. And the leader coming down. Got to put up 2 new lights too. Customer bought some lights. I got to hang them too. I'll show you when we're pretty much done. Alright guys, we're finishing up this porch job. Railings are in, done. Columns are in and painted. All the soffit is up. I already showed you that. Columns look nice, all painted. The beam there is all wrapped in aluminum. That's all done. Patched in that siding. Put up 2 new lights. Siding looks good. I made that with the brake. You know, I bent it just to match what we had. The front part of the porch there, that'll get painted in the fall. Can't paint it now, it's too green. Got to turn brown, let it dry out. I fixed this corner here too. Guys, thanks for watching. This is out of my normal videos, but it's what I'm doing at the moment, so I figured I'd show it to you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.